I'm sure you've heard the news. Spanish is one of the coolest languages to learn. Want to make it even cooler? Stick around. All right, let's dive into the world of demonstrative adjectives in Spanish. These are the words that help you point out things, like this, that, these, and those. Simple, right? Let's break it down. First up, we have este. It means this. For example, este libro es interesante, which means this book is interesting. Got it? Awesome. Next, ese. It means that. Imagine you see a cool car across the street. You'd say, ese carro es bonito, which means that car is nice. Easy peasy. Now for aquel. It means that as well, but for something farther away. Picture a hill in the distance. You'd say, aquel monte es alto, which means that hill is tall. You're doing great. How about plural? For these, use estos. Like, estos zapatos son nuevos, which means these shoes are new. And for those, use esos. For example, esos perros son grandes, which means those dogs are big. See? Learning demonstrative adjectives is a piece of cake. Just remember, este, ese, aquel for singular, and estos, esos, aquellos for plural. Practice makes perfect. So go out there and start pointing things out in Spanish. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about the feminine forms. For singular, we use esta, esa, and aquella. For example, esta flor es hermosa, which means this flower is beautiful. Esa flor es bonita, which means that flower is pretty. And aquella flor es alta, which means that flower is tall. For plural, we use estas, esas, and aquellas. Like, estas flores son hermosas, which means these flowers are beautiful. And esas flores son bonitas, which means those flowers are pretty. Finally, aquellas flores son altas, which means those flowers are tall. Now you're all set to use demonstrative adjectives in both masculine and feminine forms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fun Spanish lessons from JCAB Tutoring. Hasta luego, amigos.